Yeah. Sorry, bro. Whoa. Yeah.
Why do they with me?
Why me? I'm into hip hop, R&B, trap, soul, Afro pop, but my genre is hip hop, basically. So far, I just feel like it doesn't keep count, you know what I'm saying? Because I feel like I have over 100 tracks right now that I've made. Black Flow. There's CZ. There is Young Mill. There is what else? Magic. Yeah. Mitch Uta. Yeah. There is this guy called Mitch Uta, and then Tagumoyo. Yeah. Second freestyle. I usually get paid for this, bro. So you have to give me $5, and then I'm gonna give you a freestyle.
I will see about that later.
Later.
Yeah.
So I'm guaranteed I'm getting my money.
Kinda.
Kinda.
Yeah.
I don't want to be kinda. It has to be definite. You know what I'm saying? So, I'm not doing a freestyle, I'm sorry. I can't look my music up, you know what I'm saying? It's Young Brian Official on Facebook, Instagram, every platform.
What we got the sauce, boy? My nigga.
Hey, looking at my baby, looking at my kids, looking at my shits. Too cute, but I can't proceed. All my eggs and all my cheese. I sting like a bee when I look in the mirror, I see a beast. Be careful, I walk with a Uzi. All my bees are bad, I'm bougie. Talk, brosy, talk like bitches. Akaniba pana ava vanditari zamani. Kunani punani ndavapedzera vese kadiri kwani. Zviri nani ndimanyire kumberi renyu rasara kaklani. Kuti amani ndapfeka zilebo kuratidza mani. Kendiru, hanzi ndakupisa kuita ngepetisi. Sekuru makuru zipuru hanzi ndapinda nebhanduru. Banduru ndave kumberi ndapinda ndobata mwebhanduru. Hey, dukwina mapepi, ndine magesi, ndine majesi.